guys! Today I'm making more My Little Pony inspired miniatures for your dollhouse with an Applejack theme. So a cowboy hat, a little suitcase, a wallet, and some headbands. As always, thank you so much to those of you who show or even just tell me about your crafts. I love hearing about them, so please keep it up. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. First up, I make the cowboy hat much like I made my watermelon hat, just cutting down a recycled coffee pod, poking the plastic hole back through along the top, then measure and cut out a piece of paper to cover the top. Next, I cut out a circle of brown craft foam, then score lines on either side and glue in place. I glue the top, give it plenty of time to dry, and paint. I give that plenty of time to dry, then glue ribbon as trim. To make the headbands, I stretch out the ring from a key tag, adding drops of glue along the bottom to prevent scratching the doll, a technique I learned from Simple Kids Crafts. And you can leave as is or paint with acrylic paint. I can add craft foam ears, color paper, and create hearts. Or fold craft foam and cut into a bow. Using my multi-hole punch for detail. To make the zippered mini suitcase, sized for LPS or Chelsea dolls, and this is actually just one of my bowler bags converted into a suitcase, I glue packaging material between craft foam, cut out a section from another strip of craft foam, trim my zipper to fit, and glue one section at a time. I fold the edge along the corner for an easier fit, then glue around my base. Adding another piece of craft foam along the top. I Google an image of Applejack, save to a Word document, print, add tape, and glue. For the handle, I paint a wooden bead, slide it onto a coffee stirrer, bend and glue in place. Then glue beads along the bottom for wheels. Finally, for the wallet, and you may have seen me make these before, I score lines on thin craft foam, cut out the tab, and trim. Then I glue pieces of paper, leaving room to insert my credit cards and money, and you can use packaging material as a placeholder. When somewhat dry, I can work on the tab, just gluing a tiny bead and punching out a hole about the size of my bead. If the hole's too big, it will slip off the bead. And finally, I print the printable money, credit cards, checks, and ID, which you can find on my website, rainbowtinklesworld.com. Add to my wallet, then adorn with stickers for detail. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!